Hello, good morning. This week, I really hope you're going to get the message. Your business is not about you. Really. Now, I raise this because I find myself having this kind of conversation over and over again. For example, if I say, why are you in business? And I get the answer, to make money, it makes my heart sink. Fact of the matter is, if that is the only reason you're in business, your customers, well, to be honest, your potential customers are going to smell you a mile off and they're not going to come your way. You need to be standing in their shoes. You need to be seeing your product from their perspective. And I don't care what Alan Sugar and the Dragons and all of those say about making money. Fact of the matter is, they understand this too. The business is about the customers. Now, so this week I was asked to have a look at a website. I suppose I was asked to have a look at the business, and so I started with the website. Because they'd set up and they weren't really getting the sales, they weren't getting the traction that they were looking for with the customers that they reckon they should have. And the website was just peppered with I's and me's and my and I love and all of this. The only things that were for the customer perspective was about how to get delivery or how to place an order. There wasn't anything to get the customer in love with the product or engaged or to make them feel that they really wanted to go further and make a purchase. It was just straight in, wham, bam. And I get that all the time. I see that frequently. Now, I also had a conversation with someone this week he's got a mentor. And the mentor is really the profile of person that he's looking for as a customer. And he took him to a venue that was the sort of venue that he's going to be working on. And he said, I want to know what you see when you walk into a place like this. What is it that you take in? What are the priorities for you? What are the details you notice? I want to look at it through your eyes. That's exactly what you need to be doing. So the site that we're at is the cattle market, or what used to be the cattle market in Gloucester. And the fact of the matter is that's a really old style way of trading that was incredibly effective. But I'm telling you now, it was very customer focused. It was efficient, it was on message, it was making the transactions as easy as possible. It was a really great way for those that were selling to get together with people who were looking to buy. And these days, it's a business park. And there are brands here that you'll recognise. And they're big brands and they're successful. And every one of them, yes, okay, sometimes they get it wrong. But I'm telling you now, every single one of them is customer focused. They spend a lot of money and effort understanding who their customer is and making sure they're meeting their needs. My challenge to you today is to think of one of your customers that you could ask for 15 minutes of their time. And you ask them some questions. Why do they buy from you? Why do they buy from you in the first place? What else would they like to get from you? When do they refer you to others, or don't they? What's missing from your offering? You can come up with the questions that are appropriate. And the most important thing is you fire off a few questions and then you listen to what they're telling you. I'd like you to get in the habit of doing that on a regular basis. Write down the name of a customer that you can ask for 15 minutes of their time. Write down some questions that you're going to ask them. Why they buy from you, what made them buy in the first place, what's missing from your offering. write down what you think they're going to say.